Hey, you got 10 cents? I mean, my name is 10 cents. Does that count? Hell no.
Very old fold, so this is why the quality is kind of booty. So like, are we still gonna get used? Probably not. Until old iron fixes his fold. Oh man. And then I waddled away, waddle. Oh god dang it. My name is Duck. And I'm dominant. We all know who he is. Anyway, hey. See ya. Waddle. Then I waddle away, waddle.
And I'm the gay one. Oh yeah. Vector. Oh yeah. Okay.
Engines were very confused of what they were going to do.
Oh no. Are you ever gonna see the lights? Or are you ever gonna get good quality? We look like Plussy Manias. Trash videos. Help me, Jesus.
Henry, it's okay.
Who said that? Which one of you said that?
Me, Gordon.
Oh god dang it, bro.
Me, Gordon.
You should actually jump the person who destroyed the phone.
Or we can just run over whoever sold the phone to us. And then I don't got an idea. I'm just speaking because I'm Gordon. And why am I next to you, James?
Because I'm sexy and you know it. Look at my golden buffers.
Shut up.
I know who did it.
Oh.
Why you got the phone? I know who did it.
You do?
Yes, I do. And we can all play Thomas. Hey.
What's up, guys?
Oh, he's trying to play it off. He's trying to play it off. He's trying to play it off. Listen here, you little blue shit.
Did you record it right?
You little blue shit. We all know you are the reason we haven't appeared on the channel yet, and we will kill you.
Who is we?
Shut up, Henry. Jeez.
Who are you?
Yeah, like, who are you? Like, I've never seen you before. You guys know me, right? You guys know me, right?
Hell no, I never seen your moon pie face ass ever.
I wasn't talking to you, Henry. Jeez, you dead big booty bitch.
Why are you looking at my ass?
Anyway, how is it, Thomas? Yeah, he was the first one here. Me too. My face was crooked.
You're lucky you're a child. I would have touched you so much.
And I thought James was freaky. What? Nothing, James. So what are we gonna do?
I think it was you.
Yeah, I think it was you. You wussy pussy. What'd you just call me? Wussy pussy. Oh god dang it. Dang it. Right guys, it's me, Edward. favor of who thinks this blue diesel guy is the reason why the phone is acting up. Please say something.
Me.
Loki, I don't even know. I'm just here. Us two, man.
I think it's yellow. I can't think of a bad insult. I'm not Plussy Mania. You guys are bastards. Thank you.
So, in my defense, I got here with James and Edward at the time. And the phone was still pretty weird, making the static noise. So, let's all put the blame on the diesel. I don't know what he did, but I just don't like his vibe.
Exactly. I don't like his vibe because he's blue and long like me. I am a long, blue, sleek engine. I should be the only long, blue, sleek engine. Ain't I long? Not as long as me, Edward. Dad.
Where are you going?
I don't know. I wanted to make it dramatic.
Well,
why are we blaming each other on something so stupid?
let's blame the phone.
Yeah, Thomas is right.
We should blame the phone. Then we should destroy it. And then buy another phone. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, that's the best idea ever.
That is the dumbest idea I ever heard in my life. Ain't that right, Hero?
I made an appearance.
Oh, Lord.
So, wait. We're not killing Thomas?
Why does this guy want me dead so much?
You ruined my legacy.
You don't have legs.
What did Percy do? He got it away. Anyway, come on, guys. We can still beat up Thomas, right?
Or we can beat your booty cheeks. Why were you looking at my ad?
Oh my god.
Nothing works. Why am I the only diesel here?
You don't count, little truck over there. What did I do? Exist. Well, you know what? Come at me, you idiots. Try me.
I was joking, man. I was joking. Help me. No, you will fall to your death. Will he die?
I don't think so. This is like a cliff in our eyes, looking over the horizon of Antoine's room. I don't know who Antoine is. I'm just talking. Yeah, you wussy pussy. Say goodbye, wussy pussy. Wussy pussy.
Somebody help me. No.
Hooray! We won. I'm going back to my branch line. You know, I'm gonna pull the express. Wait a minute, did I say my catchphrase yet?
No, you didn't say it.
God damn it. Oh, the indignity. Okay, express coming through. Choo-choo.
I'm gone to my trees. Whoa.
You don't see him.
All in a day's good work. I'm gonna go try to make out with Gordon now. Goodbye. Oh, I'm gonna go follow Thomas.
Now the engines have dropped. Now the engines have solved their problem. Play the outro. It's over.
Oh my god. Oh, that's my butt. Oh man, that fall was bad. Who the hell are you? I'm Frankie. You wanna help me get revenge on Thomas and his stupid, steamy, stupid, dumb, stupid friends? I can't think of better insults, man. I can't. Trust me. Trust me. Oh. Okay. Okay? Okay. Okay, follow me. Follow me.